Welcome to STACKr News. What did you miss last week in web dev? Last week we got a 7-hour React beginners course, learned about quantum computing, and all of the top CSS frameworks. It was a crazy week. In this video, I'll highlight my favorite videos from last week to help you decide which to watch, and maybe you'll discover some new videos and channels that you didn't know about. I'll also highlight some articles, podcasts, events, and social posts to keep you informed. If this video helps you out, help me out by liking and subscribing. A link to the newsletter that has all of the links mentioned will be in the description below. This is STACKr News. First up in top news, there were several new releases: Snowpack, Rollup, Gatsby, and VS Code. On to the videos. These are in no particular order. FreeCodeCamp published a full premium course from Thomas Weibenfalk. Learn React.js from the ground up with fundamentals to more intermediate and advanced topics. You'll learn how to build a real app. In this video from Meezy, she'll walk you through the Microsoft Machine Learning course that was launched on GitHub last week. It's a 12-week course created by the Microsoft Cloud Developer Advocates, and it's packed with everything that you need to get a grasp on machine learning. Don't serve unoptimized images. Unoptimized images lead to bad user experience. In this video from James Q. Quick, he'll cover a few ways to optimize your images for the web. Next up, Anastasia Marchenkova talks about working in industry or academia when it comes to quantum computing. She covers goals, pace, collaboration, time distribution, and finding quantum jobs. There's been another VS Code update. With that, another VS Code update video from me. In this video, I'll cover all of my favorite additions to VS Code. Have you heard of Blitz.js? It's a complete JavaScript framework comparable to Laravel or Ruby on Rails, and it's built on top of Next.js. Check out this Learn with JSON video featuring Brandon Bayer to see it in action. Next up, Decode creates a Notes app using only JavaScript and local storage. This is a great project for a JavaScript beginner. Next, Adrian Twarg goes over the top CSS frameworks to check out in 2021. If you want to improve your website development with CSS, then a good framework can make life a lot easier. Be sure to check out this video to see which framework might fit your needs. Ben Awad has a new venture he's working on, Astrofans. Check out his business pitch. And next, Chris at Better Dev shows us how to get started with Alpine.js. It's a lightweight JavaScript framework, and it looks pretty cool. Next up, Kyle at WebDev Simplified lets us know what mistakes we're making with CSS colors. Check out this video to see why he thinks HSL is better than RGB and hex. In this video, Kevin Powell clones the Google font theme toggle button. It's a pretty cool button, and there's actually a lot to it. Next, on the NetNinja channel, there's a new series on the React testing library. This series is taught by Laith Harb. Be sure to check out the entire series as well as Laith's YouTube channel. Now on to articles, podcasts, and socials. A great article that I came across on dev.to was Modern Full Stack Developer Tech Stack 2021. It covers modern applications and resources that you'll need as a full stack developer in 2021. For podcasts on JS Party, they talk about running JavaScript on WebAssembly. And on Syntax, Scott and Wes talk about JavaScript event buzzwords. Did you know that Instagram has a great coding community? Here's a highlight from last week. In this one from Frontend Joe, you'll learn useful CSS grid use cases in this short carousel. Did you also know that Tech Talk is a thing? Go check out Cassidoo on TikTok for some great info and some laughs. On to the upcoming events. Quick disclaimer, I am a developer advocate for MongoDB. July 13th and 14th is MongoDB.live. That's today if you're watching this video on its release. It's a completely free virtual developer conference where you'll learn all about some new, really cool features coming to MongoDB. You're not going to want to miss this. The link is in the description below. Again, there's more info in the newsletter. The link is in the description below. I hope this was helpful. Like this video to help me out, and subscribe if you haven't already for more videos like this.